How to reverse an audio in CapCut. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can reverse an audio in CapCut. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the process is actually quite simple. There is no direct way you can do this, but I'll show you guys a way that you can do so. So the first thing here is you might notice that there is no reverse option for an audio file only. So what you can do is simply import an image. The image can be a black screen or whatever. It does not matter. But after you do that, just make sure that you set it at the correct file, time length. Then you can simply select both of those files, right click on it, and now you can create a compound clip. So tap on create a compound clip, which will merge the audio and the image together. After you merge both of those, here you'll find an option that says reverse. So here you will find multiple options here, and one of those will be reverse. Tap on it, and this will start reversing the clip. Now, while this reverses the clip, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. So after you've reversed the clip, your audio file will get reversed as well. So if you right click on this, you can simply extract the audio only. So here you'll find the extract audio option, but it's for the pro users only. So instead of that, tap on this export button here. Then here you can simply choose the MP3 option. So let's select the MP3. If you don't find it, you can simply remove this video option and choose the audio option here. And there you'll find the MP3. Then export this and you're good to go. And that's how you can reverse an audio file in CapCut. Thanks for watching guys. That's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.